Tropical storm Elsa is bearing down on Cuba at the moment. Tropical storm watches and warnings have been issued in Florida. As tropical storm Elsa continues to bring heavy rains to Cuba, meteorologists expect that it will affect Florida on Tuesday into Wednesday. Elsa will then track through the Carolinas and to the southeast of Virginia late Wednesday into Thursday. Tropical storm Elsa is currently soaking the island of Cuba and will then track towards Florida and then to the coastal southeast of the United States. Meteorologists expect that the impacts from this tropical storm will include heavy rains, gusty winds, and some storm surges. According to meteorologists, Elsa is currently centered near the central regions of Cuba and is tracking to the northwest. Bands of heavy rain and gusty winds are affecting parts of the island of Cuba and Cayman Islands. In Jamaica, meteorologists recorded more than 5 inches of rainfall over the weekend. Tropical storm force winds will continue to affect the vicinity. A tropical storm warning is currently in effect for portions of the Florida Keys, from Craig Key westward to the Dry Tortugas, and also along the west coast of Florida, from Flamingo to Englewood. This area of concern includes the Key West, Marco Island, Naples, and Sanibel Island. Tropical storm conditions, which includes winds of 39 miles per hour or more, are expected to begin in these areas as the day progresses. Tropical storm watches have also been issued in other parts of Florida from Craig Key eastward to Ocean Reef, including Florida Bay, and from Englewood northward along the west coast to the Osceola River, including Tampa Bay. These areas are expected to encounter tropical storm conditions by Tuesday. Various tropical storm and hurricane watches and warnings remain in effect for the Caribbean, including parts of the island of Cuba and the Cayman Islands. Elsa will gradually turn more to the north, northwest, and then the north around the western periphery of a high-pressure system in the western Atlantic. The storm will first track over Cuba on Monday. That interaction with the island of Cuba should take some toll on its intensity. Elsa's center will then emerge over the southeast Gulf of Mexico by Tuesday. The Gulf of Mexico waters will be very warm, and it will cause some reorganization of Elsa after it moves north of Cuba. However, wind shear during this time may also increase, which will likely act to limit the amount of possible intensification of the storm. Impacts from Elsa could arrive in the southern regions of Florida by Monday and then spread northward through the state into Tuesday and Wednesday. Other parts of the southeast, including the coastal Carolinas and the southeast regions of Virginia, might see some impacts from Elsa from late Wednesday into Thursday night, but that will depend on how well organized the system is once it recurves northeastward near inland or offshore from the coast. In general, most of Elsa's impacts, which includes rain, winds, coastal flooding, surges, tornado threats, should occur along and to the east of the track of Elsa's center. Parts of central and western Cuba are expected to get at least 5 to 10 inches of storm total rainfall, with isolated amounts up to 15 inches. This may lead to dangerous flash flooding and mudslides in the area. For Cayman Islands, meteorologists are predicting that there will be 3 to 5 inches of rain from Elsa, and this could lead to some flash flooding as well. The most certain aspect of Elsa's rendezvous with Florida is that it will bring heavy rainfall. Parts of the Florida Keys and Peninsula can expect 2 to 4 inches of rain, with locally up to 6 inches being possible. This may also cause some flash flooding in the vicinity, especially in urban areas. Additional rain is expected across parts of South and coastal Georgia, into the coastal Carolinas, and to the southeast of Virginia. Elsa will be speeding up as it moves through these areas, so only isolated flash flooding is expected in these areas. Tropical storm conditions, which includes winds of 39 miles per hour or more, may arrive by late Monday or Monday night in South Florida. Stronger wind gusts could break some tree limbs, may cause trees to fall, and also result in scattered power outages. Gusty winds could then spread northward across the Florida Peninsula through Tuesday and early Wednesday. Storm surge is also possible early in this week, and it may be near to the east of where Elsa's circulation center tracks. A storm surge of 2 to 4 feet above ground level is possible along Florida's western coast, from Bonita Beach to the mouth of the Suwannee River, including Tampa Bay. A storm surge of 1 to 3 feet above ground level is possible in the southwestern regions of Florida, from Flamingo to Bonita Beach. Storm surge of 1 to 2 feet above ground level is possible in the Florida Keys, from Ocean Reef to the Dry Tortugas, including Florida Bay. Southern Cuba may see storm surges rise, water levels from 3 to 5 feet above normal tide levels as well. It's also expected that there may be tornadoes, which will result from this tropical cyclone within the regions of the Florida Peninsula from Monday night into Tuesday night or on Wednesday, based on the potential increase in wind shear. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and remember to stay safe while Elsa passes by. Thanks for watching and goodbye.